I gave you my body, it wasn't enough, and now all I can say is all that I want. I gave you my body, you tore it apart, and I'm coming down, coming down. Bring me home if you can, to the promised land. Bring me home if you can, to the promised land. Use your words as weapons to take me from here, 'cause I'm on the edge, about to jump by fear. The ground so enticing, could this hole be a home? I'm no one's daughter anymore, I'm on my own. Bring me home if you can, to the promised land. Bring me home if you can, to the promised land. The promised land, the promised land, and I will not be forgotten here, and I will not be forgotten here. Oh, please don't let me be forgotten here. Oh, bring me home if you can, to the promised